If your floors still look dirty even after you mop, this is the reason why. And no, it's not dirt and it's not your mop. It's something completely different that most people never even hear about. You know that moment when the sun comes through your window and suddenly your floors look hazy, streaky, or even dull? I see this in so many homes. People mop all the time and still their floors look dirty. Here's the myth. Most people think their floors still look bad because they're dirty, or they need a stronger cleaner, or they're not scrubbing hard enough. But the real reason your floor still looks dirty is because there's a thin film layer sitting on top of them. It's not dirt, it's actually residue. Residues from cleaners, from soap, from your water, even minerals from your tap water. And it happens on almost all floor type. Tile, vinyl plank, laminate, hardwood, all of them. Every time you mop, a little bit of cleaner dries on the surface. Then the next time you mop, you add a little more. And over time, you're not even seeing your floor anymore. You're seeing a buildup of film that catches the light and makes everything look cloudy. And here's the part no one tells you. If your mop head isn't perfectly clean or your water gets dirty, you're actually spreading that residue every time you mop. Here's how to fix it. Number 1, a neutral cleaner. Start with a neutral, clean, residue-free cleaner. Number 2, use less product. A little goes a long way. Using too much cleaner is one of the biggest reasons floors look streaky. Number 3, use clean water. If your water gets cloudy, you're just re-spreading the problem. Clean water makes a huge difference. Number 4, use a fresh pad. A dirty pad leaves streaks every time. Use a new pad for every room if you can. Number 5, using a rinse pass. A pass with plain warm water at the end helps remove anything left behind. When you remove the film, your real floor finally shows through, and it's a huge difference. To keep the film from coming back, remember, use a pH neutral cleaner, avoid heavy soaps, switch water often, change pads more frequently, and keep mopping simple. More product does not mean better. Most of the time, the answer isn't scrubbing harder, it's reducing the buildup. If your floors have ever made you feel frustrated like this before, you're not doing anything wrong. You just didn't know how much residue was sitting on the surface. Try even one of these tips today and you'll notice a difference so fast. And if you want to see why your home still smells even after you clean, watch this video next.